Here's my cotton belt F7 and its 3 matching coaches, and the same 3 that y'all saw earlier on the previous video. Took me a long time to find that particular engine, and 3 heavyweights for the cotton belt. It's a good running engine. It's an Athearn type engine, and all of my passenger cars are Athearn, my heavyweights and my streamliners. The only 3 that aren't heavyweights are my green Pullmans, but they don't run very well on this track because it's a 22-degree curve, and those are rated for a curve that is bigger. See if we can't get a frog sound here.